Right. Today we're videotaping how to fix a very common problem when this hinge breaks. And sometimes it lifts up like this. And we'll fix it with a basic tool, maybe a screwdriver, or a little of a flat pry tool. You could use any kind of flat butter knife or even a credit card to pry open the screen and repair the hinge. All right, with a flat tool or even a screwdriver, slowly give it a little snap. Make sure you don't crack the screen. Go to the next snap. That ain't good. Oh, let's go to the next snap. Give it a little bit pressure, you separate it. Go to the next snap. Okay. You gotta pull, comes out. Put a hook on the bottom. There'll be double-sided tape along the edges. You could buy some double-sided tape to put some more on. See, this is the thing that broke. I fixed the other side already. What I'm gonna do is put epoxy inside of these small little screws that go into the plastic that breaks up over a multiple use. They break. So what I'm going to do is epoxy this whole area, cover with a thin plastic so it doesn't stick to the screen. Let it cure and then snap the screen back on. You can buy any old epoxy resin. I bought one with steel reinforced. I think regular epoxy will work fine. So if you guys don't know how to use this, it's a two-part epoxy. You open it up. Okay. Used this before. Squeeze. About the amount you need to use. You don't want to mix the two sides. Make sure you got the black side on the black side and then twist, close it. Use a toothpick or something to mix. About a tablespoon, teaspoon. You gotta mix the two parts. Make sure you thoroughly mix it for about a minute. Thoroughly mixed. If you get it on your hands, make sure you wipe it off with a paper towel real quick. Make sure you got it all around, but don't get it on the hinges. I got a little bit there. I have to wipe that off. And then make sure you put spacers to keep the hinge open so it'll close properly. And you wait about an hour when it's nice and hard. Assemble it back together. And recommend don't touching it for about 24 hours. Let it cure 100%. So it'll look like this. This was done a couple months ago. Hinge is all fixed. Now, it's not completely cured. I'm gonna put the screen back together while it's a little soft, so the screen will snap in there. There are the little hinges here, so it has to go in first, down. Down on the hinges first. Get the bottom hinges in, and you can snap in the rest. You hear a snap. Start from the top. I will actually close it and leave it closed. Any little epoxy left? A little bit of alcohol. Take some excess. Should come off with a little bit of alcohol, and you just let it cure for 24 hours.